This presentation outlines the steps to configure the REDCap API. It provides a guide to creating API tokens, setting up URLs, defining parameters, making requests, and handling responses. To configure the REDCap API, follow these steps. 1. Create an API token. Log into your REDCap project. Navigate to the API section in the project. Generate a new API token if you do not have one already. 2. Set up the API URL. The base URL for accessing the REDCap API is typically in the format https://your_redcap_URL/API. Define API parameters. Prepare the parameters you will send in your API requests. Common parameters include token, your API token. Content, the type of content you want to retrieve, for example, record, metadata. Action, the action you want to perform, for example, import. Format, the format of the response, e.g., export, JSON, CSV. Use an HTTP client to send requests to the API endpoint, for example, to export records. 5. Method, post. URL, https://your_redcap_URL/AP. Token equals your API token and content equals record and action equals export and format equal JSON. Handle responses. Process the API response according to your application needs. Ensure to handle errors and exceptions appropriately. Test your configuration. Use tools like Postman or curl to test your API requests and ensure everything is configured correctly. By following these steps, you can successfully configure and utilize the REDCap API for your data management needs. Additional notes. Ensure that your REDCap project has API access enabled in the project settings. Review the REDCap API documentation for detailed information on available endpoints and parameters. Resources. 1. REDCap API documentation, https://redcap.vanderbilt.edu/API help. In summary, this presentation covered the essential steps for configuring the REDCap API, including creating tokens, setting up URLs, defining parameters, making requests, handling responses, and testing the configuration. Remember to consult the REDCap API documentation for more details.